Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fast forward your videos or shows on Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is play your video. If there's a streaming delay, just press play again and it should play. And as you can see, when you drag your mouse across, you'll get this playback menu, and you can hit these buttons to fast forward 10 seconds or back up 10 seconds, or you can use your arrow keys on your PC to move it around, left for back, right to forward to fast forward, and that should be it. Now on the mobile device or on your mobile app, you should be just able to pause the video and click these buttons as well, or you could just double tap a side of your screen and the right side will fast forward it. On your TV, I'm pretty sure you have to use your remote on a smart TV, and you just press the right arrow. Once you get the playback menu up, you can just press the up arrow to get the playback menu up, and then just press the right arrow and it should fast forward in 10-second increments. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.